Good afternoon, guys. I'm just doing a quick gear review of what I take on my wild camps. This gear is based around spring, summer, autumn time. All that gear you see there will go into this rucksack here, which is Talon Osprey 44, lined by a Alpine 40-litre dry bag. Waterproof, a spray way jacket I've had 15 years, served me well. Down jacket I've had about 2-3 years, I got from TK Maxx for 60 quid. Its manufacturer's name's Rock Experience, so you don't have to go to iron shop to get a decent down jacket, to be honest. Waterproof bottoms, I've had them about 10 years. And that green dry bag is hats and gloves. Sleep system, Powatoki ultralight one-man tent. You've probably seen that in my last video. Sleeping bags, Alkit Pint Dream 400, cloud base, inflatable mat, also Alkit. There is the inflatable pillar from Amazon Nightstrike I got for about 12 quid 2 years ago. Most importantly, my delta pegs. I never go out my delta pegs at all, you know, especially, well, mostly camp on high ground, so you're pretty secure with them. Right, going over to the cook system here. That's my Alkit titanium pot 700. Gas cartridge that goes in it. Stand goes in it. That's the Lexada stove from Amazon. Knife and forks. Food for one nighter. Porridge and pasta. Chocolate bars. 2 there. Might be another couple of bars that would take. Drinks. Tea, coffee. Yeah. Cappuccinos, sachets in there. Right. Water carriers there. That pouch will hold about just under 2 litres of hot or cold water. That's the Alkit 750 bottle. First aid kit there, toiletries and sanitising gel, and below that the blue hydration bladder is I've converted that into a pee bottle when I'm in my sleeping bag and I can't bother to get out of it, so that's quite handy. That map, tablet, that's my camera, I do most of my time lapses on. Pair of knives, spare battery, Alkit torch, survival blanket. So that's basically it. All that will come in weight wise. It'll vary from about 7 to 11 kilograms. I mean, 7 kilograms is when I go bivvying. Obviously that tent will be replaced by a bivvy bag, but that should be, yeah, same weight, yeah, about 7 kilograms. So that's basically it. Not to forget my mobile phone there, of course, which is crucial. So that's it, guys. That's my gear. Right. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.